Hi, I'm Tyler, a maker, a tinkerer, and an avid LEGO fan. If you're like me, LEGO Mindstorms is appealing, but it has its drawbacks. It has no Wi-Fi. It is not open source. You can only use it with other LEGO devices. It's expensive, and it does not work with Arduino. Well, now the maker community can have its cake and eat it too. I'm pleased to present to you the Evlōno, an open source programmable controller that bridges the gap between the maker community and LEGO's newest devices. Unlike the Spike Prime, the Evlōno works with LEGO's WeDo 2.0, powered up and Control Plus motors and sensors. And with configurable PID controllers on each port, you'll achieve the control your build needs, whether you're going for speed, precision, or fluidity. The journey began when I was helping out with an after-school robotics program. LEGO Mindstorms was fun for the kids, but I was convinced it wasn't the great educational tool it could be. So I set off to make my own controller. And hundreds of hours of development later, it's finally ready for you. The Evlōno has a built-in 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope, and 3-axis magnetometer, so your creation can know its orientation in space and react to its attitude. Not only can the Evlōno control motors, but it can use sensors as inputs to a program. Unlike the Spike Prime, Evlōno supports WeDo 2.0 sensors, as shown in this sketch. With an 80 Hz update rate, that's 8 times faster than LEGO hubs, you'll have minimal latency in your sketches. Let's talk about noise. The Evlōno drives its motors at frequencies beyond audible range, so all you hear when driving motors is the motor's internal mechanicals. LEGO devices, however, drive their motors at low frequencies, so you get some pretty intense motor whine. It's a good thing that the Evlōno operates quietly, because that makes the sound from the built-in 700 milliwatt speaker more complementary to your models. Not only is the Evlōno hardware and software open source, but it uses the ESP32 microcontroller and the Arduino IDE, so it's inherently backed by huge communities of makers. The Evlōno is powered over USB-C and comes equipped with USB power delivery. That means it can request 9 volts at up to 5 amps from a USB-C power delivery source, such as the Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD. For connectivity, the Evlōno has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built right in, so you can break new ground for brick-based models. A robot that dances when you get a new follower on Instagram, that sends emails, or that integrates with Google Assistant or Alexa. The Evlōno has a port dedicated to interoperability. With 2 versatile signal pins on a powered 3-volt port, you can add new things to your creations, like GPS modules, capacitive touch sensors, joysticks, and RFID readers. Those are some of the high-level characteristics that make the Evlōno so special. Check out the feature set in the story for a full list of technical specifications. I can't wait to see what you'll make with the Evlōno.